Man, it's been a while since I played this game. It's been over a week. And last I remember, we were doing Odin's Retreat. Oh, the price went up. I'm hoping it gets up soon to 500. With that much money, we could probably upgrade this entire thing all the way. I hope. But then again, I could be wrong. Thank you, my little friends. I'll be back with food in a moment. Not too much. I don't want them to... like that. Jumping out of it again. I don't want them doing that. Go ahead, fellas. Nice. Now, question. How much was it again for the next one? 120,000, that's right. And I get a Titan blueprint if I get it. My god, that's gonna be a while. But let's do one of these today. Let's go with Mochi. Let's make a trade, Lemonade. Rad, Rock, Phosphorus. That's a lot of money. We can do that easy. I hope. Ooh. Nice. 1, 3. Be right back in a second. Ta-da! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We're getting so close. We're at halfway there. With 60,000 gold. Or new bucks, as people say. Which is probably what I should have been calling it. Here you go, guys. Chickens galore. Alright. Wow, that is a lot. Well, here we go. Let's start looking. Oh! Hey, fellas. How's it going? I'm just gonna run by you. Or I'll just fly by you. Oh, come on. Fine, I'll just run around. Now that I think about it, do most of these slimes usually just get angry when they're hungry? Or to a point where they're just... Ooh, hi! Oh, you guys get way too close sometimes. Gimme. Hey guys, how about a chicken? At least one of them's happy. Here. Hey! Happy! Happy, happy, happy. That's 8. That's the way I came out from. Oh no! He ate it. I did not expect that, actually. What do these things do anyway? I forgot you can walk here. You guys are calm. That's good. Ow. Almost calm. That's good. Oh wow, you're all calm. Guess you get all the veggies. Which is a relief. And hopefully none of the fruits. The fruits that I need. Ah, and here's the teleporter. Here's what we got today. We're now 98 short of our next quota. Dang, you guys were busy while I was gone. Nice. What's the highest? I'll check once it changes. For now, I might as well go water my bee drones. Which I keep forgetting I moved that one over here. Man, that is really hard to remember. Like, when you move something, you just forgot you move it there. My word. Thank you. Might as well. Okay, so basically just 2 left. One with lava dust, and the other for deep brine and pink plorts. Cool, then we're done with this one. Then I might want to catch more Gordos later on in the future. One of each, so I can keep them all for myself. I know this sounds weird, just roll with it, please. Wait a minute. Aye, that's right. They're full, I gotta empty them out. My bad. Oh, and just in time. The time went to midnight. Let's see the prices. Damn it. Everything went down. Nice. Okay, let me check on the rest. Nice. You guys are doing good. You guys are doing great. You guys, perfect. And then you guys, still somehow good. And then you want... Excellent. Okay, so far you guys are still doing good here. That's good. Alright, what's the top price today? Somehow still water plorts, but Tangled is still second place. I'm not sure how. Which means... and then you. There we go. Okay. 98. Can we get it? I have no clue. How'd you all get in here? And how the devil did you guys scare me so quickly? Oh! Okay, you're happy too, thank goodness. Oh, you're not somehow, and neither are you. Did the world not reset, or does the fruit need time to regrow? I got a present, I'm not ready to use it. Oh cool, it's a little gold ornament. Here's another one. Okay, good, they're resetting. Meaning there's still a chance I can find more. Here's another one right next to where the portal is. Now hopefully I can remember where the portal is when I get back. Ow, I was trying to grab it before they got to me, dang it. Oh my god, there were a couple more I missed here. Oh! Apparently a couple of them I didn't see. I'll save you! Dang it. Okie dokie. 2 more. There's another one. Hey! Ow. Oh, another one up there. Boom. I think I'm done here. We got a good load. Not bad. But we'll have to come back and try again next time. All your chickens are mine because now you got all Stonies. Because Stonies is your favorite. Here you go, guys. That should do it. Now for down here. Oh, cool. I'm just in time. Here you go, guys. Plenty enough chickens for everyone. And... oh my god, we're so close. Thank you, fellows. Thank you, thank you. Nice, we got double on that one. Yes! More debrine and lava dust. Just what we needed. Alright, do we have enough for anything else? We need 5 more for this one, and 1 more lava dust floor for that one. And then another one for this. We are so close to our goal. 30,000 more, then we're set. That's insane. Okay. Half of that reduced. Nice. Might as well just give you guys phase lemons because I don't have enough freaking player pairs right now. Perfect. Day 82. And gold has once again depleted too far. God dang it. I should have saw that coming. I don't think it's ever going to go back up in price. And that's what I was afraid of. Let's clean these up. Because this is just messy. Come on, guys. Okay, let's see. 75. I hope I did the math right. And already it spawned me with delightful chickens. Boy. Come on, guys. I just got here. Can't we just get along? That's a no. Yeah. Ow. Dang, I didn't think he could get me from there. Ow. Jesus, I am not your buffet. I shot you a chicken, you ungrateful baby. Sheesh. It's like I'm the bigger pitcher here, and thank you. You can keep the rock farm. Ooh, I found a jackpot here. 1, 2, and number 3. And that's it. I think we are done for now. But we did good. Almost better than yesterday. Sort of. Thank you, Mochi, for your extra miles. Tofu for all. Oh my god, we are so close. Yes, just a little more. Just a few extra bucks. Why not to run out of energy now? Yes, that's it. We did it. Thank you. Slime trophy level 3 and then the abyssal palm blueprint. We're ending this video on a good note. We finally got it. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I'll see you all next time. Hopefully, we'll get farther than before.